Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I, Mr. Yogesh, Faculty of Mathematics, and I am here to put back excitement into the education. In this lecture, we are going to discuss few more problems depends upon fundamental principle of counting and permutation. So here is your first problem. The sum of the digits in the unit place of all numbers formed with the help of 3, 4, 5, 6 taken all at a time is. So look, once we have given there are 4 digits taken all at a time, that means we have to form a 4 digit number is 3456, supposed to be 3546 and so on, and we have to add up their unit places digit. So firstly find that how many numbers should be there end up with a 4, how many numbers should be there having 5 as their unit place, same thing for the 3 as at its a unit place, and same thing for the 6 also. That means we have to consider here 4 vacant boxes for a 4 digit number taken all at a time. So find how many numbers that should end with a 3. So we have to fix a digit 3 at its ones place. So there is only one 3 digit, so we have only one way to fill up the ones place of the 4 digit number. Now how many ways to fill up the tens, hundreds and thousand place? So you might start with the thousand place or the tens place, it isn't matter. So remaining 3 digits now we have like 4, 5 and 6. Among them any one digit should be filled over the thousand place. So we have there are the 3 ways to fill up thousand place of a 4 digit number. Following which remaining 2 numbers, so any one among them can be filled over the 100 places. So we have the 2 ways to fill up the 100 place of the 4 digit number, and following which to fill up the tens place we have exactly a one way only. Now try to evaluate that how many numbers were there or 4 digit numbers that should end up with the 4. So we have to fix a digit 4 over the ones place. So there is only one way. Following which to fill up now thousands, hundreds and tens place we have 3, 2 and one way respectively. Same thing now evaluate how many numbers were there end up with the digit 5. So we have exactly a one way to fill up the ones place. Following which to fill up thousand, hundreds and tens place we have a 3, 2, 1 ways respectively. Same thing now evaluate how many numbers were there end up with the 6. So we have to fix a 6 at the ones place. So we have only one way. Following which to fill up the thousands, hundreds and tens place we have 3, 2, 1 way respectively. So as per the multiplication principle, 3 into 2 into 1 gives us a 3 factorial. Same thing 3 into 2 into 1 gives us a 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1 gives us 3 factorial, and 3 into 2 into 1 gives us a 3 factorial. So that means there are exactly 3 factorial means 3 2s are 6 numbers end up with the 3. 6 numbers end up with the 4. 6 numbers end up with the 5, and exactly the 6 number ends with a 6. So now we have to add up their unit places. That means we have 6 times 3 plus 6 times 4 plus 6 times 5 plus 6 times 6. So ultimately as per our rule we are having 3 factorial times 3 plus 4 plus unit place digit 5 plus 6. So after all adding 3 factorial into we get 18. 3 factorial becomes 6. 6 times 18 becomes a 108. So sum of unit place digits that can be formed by using the digits 3, 4, 5, 6 is equals to we have 108. Look at the next problem now. How many different arrangements can be made using all letters in the word father? So we have given a letter as a father, F-A-T-H-E-R. So how many letters is in the word father? Exactly 6 letters we are having. So look at the first sub question. How many of these begin with the A and end with the H? So we have ultimately 6 vacant boxes to fill up the 6 letters in the word father, such that should begin with a A. So we have to fix A over the first bracket. So we have only one way because there is only one A is in the word father. Same thing, it ends with a H. So there is only one H is in the word father. So we have only one way to fill up the last box. So following which, now the letters in the word we are having F, A, T, H, E, R. So among them, A and H already filled up over the first and last box. So we remained with the 4 letters with F, T, E, R. So we have, there are the 4 ways to fill up the second box, following which 3 ways to fill up the third box, 2 ways to fill up the fourth box, and only 1 way to fill up the fifth box. So as per the multiplication principle, the number of 6 letter words that can be formed using the letters in the word F, A, T, H, E, R begin with a and end with a H is given by, I will write in short, total ways, equals to, as per multiplication principle, 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. So we have 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24 6 letter words that can be formed using the letters in the word father, begin with a A, ends with a H. Secondly, how many of these begin and end with the vowels? So look, once we have the vowels is in the word father, R becomes A and E, while the consonants is in the word father, R becomes F, T, H and R. V stands for the vowels, C stands for the consonants. So we have to form now a 6 letter word that should begin with a vowel and end with a vowel. So there are 2 vowels, so among them any one vowel should filled over the first box and remaining one vowel should fill up over the last box. So we have to fill up first and last box having the ways 2 and 1 respectively. Now we remained with the consonants that should be filled up over the middle 4 boxes, that means second, third, fourth and fifth box. So we have respective 4, 3, 2 and 1 choices to fill up second, third, fourth and fifth box. So as per the multiplication principle, total ways means the number of 6 letter words that can be formed using the letters in the word father that begin and ends with the vowel is given by, in short I will write total ways. As per the multiplication principle, 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. We get 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24, 2s are 48 6 letter words that can be formed using the letters in the word father, begin and ends with the consonants. Vowels. Now the third thing we are having, how many of this begin and ends with the consonants? So third one, begin and ends with the consonants. Again we have 6 different boxes to fill up the 6 letters in the word father, such that it should begin with the consonants. So how many consonants we have? There are the 4 consonants. So to fill up the first box we have a 4 ways, while to fill up the last box end with the consonants again we have remaining 3 ways. So under assumption, let it be F is filled up over the first box, so crossed out the F, remaining 3 vowels, among them any one vowel can be filled up over the last place. So under assumption T should be filled up over the last place, so crossed out the T. Now we will remain with the 4 letters A, E, H, R, so that can be filled up over the middle 4 boxes, that means the second, third, fourth and fifth box. So to fill up the second box we have, there are 2 plus 2 becomes a 4 choices, following which to fill up the third box we have 3 choices, following which to fill up the fourth box we have the 2 ways, and following which to fill up the fifth box we have only 1 way. So as per the multiplication principle, how many 6 letter words that can be formed using the word letters in the word father begin and ends with the consonants? In short I will write total ways to be equals to, as per the multiplication principle, we are having 4 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 3. So ultimately here 4 4s are 16 into 3 3s are 9 2s are 18. We have 16 into 18. We remained with the 16 into 18, and after all multiplying 16 by 18 we get 288 ways. That means there are 288 6-letter words that can be formed by using letters in the word father begin and ends with the consonant. You may try those same sub questions by using the formulas of permutation like way. Supposed to be for the first sub question we have there are the 6 different boxes to prepare a 6-letter word by using the letters in the word father. That should start with a A and end with a H. So there is only one A. So we have one P1 ways to fill up the first box. Same thing, one P1 ways to fill up the last box. So we remained with the 4 letters like F, T, E, R, and we have 4 boxes. So there are 4 P4 ways to fill up the middle 4 boxes. So as per the multiplication principle, we have total number of ways now. Total number of ways now, that is equals to 1 P1 becomes a 1, 4 P4 becomes a 4 factorial into 1 P1 becomes a 1, and 4 factorial we have it as a 24 ways, or the 24 6-letter words that can be formed using the letter in the word father begin with a and ends with a H. Same thing for the second sub question. You may try the permutation formula. We have there are the 6 vacant boxes, so it should start and ends with the vowels. 2 vowels we have, so to fill up the first and last box we have a 2 P1 ways, while to fill up the middle 4 boxes that should contains now the ultimately consonants. So we have 4 consonants and among them we have the 4 vacant places, so 4 P4 ways to fill up the middle 4 boxes. As per the multiplication principle we get 2 P1 into 4 P1. So total ways, that means total number of 6-letter words that can be formed by using the letters in the word father start and ends with the vowels is given by, we have 2 P1 becomes 2 factorial divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. So we get 2 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 0 factorial becomes a 1. 2 factorial is 2 while 4 factorial is 24. So we get 24 2s are 48 ways. That means there are 48 different 6-letter words that can be formed by using the letters in the word father start and ends with the vowels. Same thing you may try for the consonants. Start and it begin and ends with the consonants like way we are having the basic way. Now look at the last question. How many of these begin with the consonants and ends with the vowels? So it should begin with the consonants. So C stands for consonants, let it be, and ends with the vowels. So which consonants we have? F, T, H and R. So there are the 4 ways to fill up the first box. While how many vowels we have? Only A and E, 2. So there are the 2 ways to fill up the last box. So under assumption, let us we will fill out F over the first box and E over the last box. Assume that. So which letters will remain here? T, H, R and A. That means total 4 letters will remain. Now to fill up the 4 boxes, middle one, we have respectively 4, 3, 2 and 1 choices. So as per the multiplication principle, total number of ways, that means total number of different 6-letter words that can be formed by using the letters in the word father that should starts with the consonants and ends with the vowels is given by, as per multiplication principle, 4 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2. So 4 4s are 16, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and we might get now 16 into 12 becomes 192 ways. That means there are 192 different letters or different 6-letter words that can be formed by using the letters in the word father start with a consonants and ends with the vowels. Look at the next question now. Find the number of all arrangements of the letters of the word triangle. Okay, so we have the word triangle. Look at the spelling too. So we have how many letters in the word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters is in the word triangle. Now the first sub question as per given. How many of this begin with the T and ends with the E? Same question we are having. Just word changes over there. It might having the 6 letter, 8 letters, 10 letters, it doesn't matter. So for 8 letter word, we have now the 8 boxes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many of this 8 letter words that should begins with the T and ends with the E and formed by using the letters in the word triangle? So we have to fix now T over the first bracket. So there is only one T is in the letters of the word triangle. So only one way to fill up the first box. And it should ends with the E. So only one E we are having. So only one way to fill up the last box. So to fill up the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh box, now we have the letters is in the word triangle are triangle. Among them we filled up A and E, so crossed out A and E. Now we have the 6 letters, this triangle only. And we have the 6 different boxes. To fill up the now second box, we have 6 ways. That means any one letter among the remaining 6 letters which we have triangle. GL only, not a E. So we have the 6 ways to fill up the second box. Following which to fill up the third box, we have 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 ways. So as per the multiplication principle, total ways means with what we have? The number of different 6 letter words that can be formed using the letters in the word triangle start with a T and ends with a E is given by multiplication principle 1 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. So as per that 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 gives us 720 ways. That means there are 720 different 6 letter words that can be formed by using the letters in the word triangle start with a T and ends with a E. Now look at the second sub question which we are having. In how many of this do the vowels occupy the odd places? So you may try this same problem by using the permutation like 1p1 ways to fill up the first box. Following which to fill up the last box we have a 1p1 way. While to fill up the middle 6 boxes now by using the 6 letter we are having 6p6 ways. So ultimately 1p1 becomes 1, 6p6 becomes 6 factorial while 1p1 becomes a 1 and 6 factorial is exactly 720 ways. Keep in mind as per the permutation formula. Same problem. Now look at the second sub question. Do the vowels occupy the odd places? So basic concept we are having. There are again 8 boxes. 6, 7, 8. Among them which are the odd places? I will put up a arrowhead by using the red pen over there. First, third, fifth, 7. Those are the odd places. That do the vowels occupy? So which are the vowels? A is in the word triangle again. A, E, I, A, E, I only. So 3 vowels we are having. Do the vowels occupy the odd places? 1, 3. Okay. So now look at once. So we have there are the 4 vacant places and 3 choices A, E, I. Following which, now to fill up the, or which are the remaining letters we are having? T, R, A, G, L only. So 4 letters now we are having. So to fill up the first 3 boxes, 1 vacant were there because we have the only 3 choices. And next to it 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to fill up the 4 plus 1, 5 boxes, we have 5 choices. As per the multiplication principle, we might get 4p3 into 5p5. So 4p3 gives us 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial becomes a 4 factorial into 5p5 gives us 5 factorial divided by 0 factorial is 1. So we have the 5 factorial. So 4 factorial is of the form 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 factorial is of the form 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So we get 5 factorial becomes 5 4s are 20, 23s are 62s are 120, while 4 factorial becomes 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and 24 into 120 gives us 2880 ways. That means there are 2880 different 6-letter words that can be formed by using the letters in the word triangle having or vowels occupy the odd places. Look once now towards the next question. In how many of these do the vowels occupy second, third and fourth places? So we have given the condition actually. Second, third and fourth places, the third sub question. Again we have the 8 boxes were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So among them, second, third and fourth places. So I will mark by using the black pen now. Second, third and fourth places must occupy the vowels. So we are having the vowels is in the word triangle are A, E, I, while the remaining words or the consonants we are having T, R, N, G and L. T, R, N, G, L. Okay. So now to fill up the 3 boxes, we have total places will be the 3 and among them we have the 3 vowels. Now to fill up the remaining 4 plus 1, 5 places. So as per the multiplication principle we get 5p and those are 5 now the consonants. So 3p3 becomes a 3 factorial into 5p5 becomes a 5 factorial. 3 factorial becomes 3 into 2 into 1 as a 6, while 5 factorial becomes 5 4s are 23s are 62s are 120, and 120 into 6 gives us 720 ways. That means there are 720 different 6-letter words that can be found by using the letters in the word triangle, such that vowels occupy second, third and fourth places. Now look at the next sub question. Next question we are having, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if first case we are having repetition of the digits is allowed, second case we are having repetition of the digits not allowed. So look once carefully for the first sub question. Firstly we are having the digits, I will note it down, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to form a 3-digit number, ones, tens and hundreds, 3-digit number. So keep in mind, for forming the 3-digit number by using the digits 0 to 5, so 100 place can be filled up either one of the digits among 1 to 5 only. Because once a digit starts with a 0, that 0 does not having any value here. So the number becomes a 2-digit, not a 3-digit number. So we have, there are 5 ways to fill up the first box among the digits, any one digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Following which, suppose we filled up over the 100 place that digit as a 2. So I will cross out a 2. So now we have 5 digits were there, including 0 also now. So there are again 5 ways to fill up the tens place, and following which to fill up the ones place we are having exactly the 4 ways. Because under assumption let us we filled up the 4 over the tens place. So we remained with the 4 digits. So there are the 4 ways to fill up the ones place. So as per the multiplication principle, total number of ways means total number of 3 digit numbers that can be formed using the digits in the we are trying it actually the second one, repetition is not allowed, keep in mind. Yes, so total number of 3 digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we are having now 5 into 5 into 5 into 4. That much number of ways, that means that much numbers we can formed. So 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are we are having the 100 numbers or 100 3 digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. I will write here without repetition. Same problem you may try by using the permutation concept. We have 3 vacant places over there. So to fill up the first place, we have the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, keep in mind. That means total 5 digits we are having, among them any one we have to select. So the total number of ways to be 5p1. Following which to fill up the tens and ones place. Now we remained with again a 5 digits, keep in mind. Among them we have to select any two. So as per the multiplication principle, total number of ways becomes 5p1 into 5p2. So 5p1 gives us 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial becomes a 5 into 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 becomes a 3. So we have to split that the 5 factorial in terms of 3 factorial. After all cancelling the 3 factorial, 5 5s are 20, 5 4s are we have 100. So there are 100 different 3 digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. Now look at the first sub question with repetition now. So supposed to be we are having the 3 vacant places over there like hundreds, tens and ones. So to fill up the 100 place we have 5 choices with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So any one digits among the 1 to 5. Now to fill up the tens place we are having 6 choices. Keep in mind repetition is allowed. So the number might be of the form 1055 like that way, or just a 1000 like that way. So 0 is repeated once, twice or 3 times, it doesn't matter. So to fill up the last place, ones place, we have the 6 different choices. So as per the multiplication principle, total ways means the total number, or we might be says that the total 3 digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with repetition. As per the multiplication principle we get 5 into 6 into 6. So 6 5s are 30 and 30 into 6 becomes we have a 180 3 digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep in mind here repetition is allowed. You may use the permutation formula here. So to fill up the 100 place digit, we have total 5 digits. Among them we have to select any one. So we have 5p1 ways to fill up the hundreds place. Now the repetition is allowed. So among tens and ones place we are having total 6 digits. Among them we have to choose any two. So it gives us, so as per the formulation for repetition allowed is in the permutation, NPR to be equals to, we have, it is of the form n to the power r. So same thing we have to do for this repetition concept. So 5p1 into, as per the multiplication principle again, 6p2 is of the form, we are having n value as a 6, r value as a 2, so we get 6 square. So 5p1 becomes a 5, into 6 square as a 36 and 36 5s are we have a 180 place. That means there are 180 3-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with repetition. Now look at the next question we are having. There are 6 persons, of whom 3 are Indians, 2 are Japanese and 1 is American. So we have given the 6 persons distribution. I will write here as per the given data. 3 are I stands for the Indian, 2 are Japanese, J stands for the Japanese, and 1 of American, A stands for American. There are to stand in a line of photograph. So total persons becomes a 6. Keep in mind 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 becomes a 6 total. So there are now the 6 vacant boxes over there. 5 and 6 boxes over there. So they are to stand in a line of photograph so that 3 Indians are together and 2 Japanese are together. Find the possible number of ways in which they can do so. So 3 Japanese are together. That means they may be stand over the first 3 places, second 3 places, third 3 places, last 3 places. Like that. So we have the choices 3 factorial as per the multiplication principle, 3 Indians together, 2 Japanese together, 2 factorial. So 3 factorial becomes 3 2s are 6, 2 factorial becomes a 2, 6 2s are 12 ways to stand them together as a 3 Indians, as a 2 Japanese. Look at the next problem. How many different words can be formed with the letters of the word assassinations? So look at once, we are having A double S A double S I N A T I O N. So is in the word we are having A is repeated 1, 2, 3 times, while S is repeated 4 times, while I is repeated 2 times, N is repeated 1 and 2 times, while O occur once. That's it. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 1 time O we are having as a 12. So is there 12 letters is in the word assassination? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So which letter will remain? T and I. Yes. T occurs once. I will write somewhere here. T once, and which letter we have? I once. So now how many different words can be found by using the letters in the word assassination? So as per the permutation formula, we are having there are total 13 letters. Is it 7 to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13? Yes, total 13 letters we are. Now here A repeated thrice, S repeated 4 times, I repeated 2 times, N repeated 2 times. So when repetition of the words are given R times, supposed to be one of the object repeated R1 times, other object is repeated R2 times, following which other object is repeated R3 repeated number of times, and following which other object is repeated R4 times. Then the permutation of NPR is given by n factorial divided by r1 factorial into r2 factorial into r3 factorial into r4 factorial. So same thing here we have to do. Total 13 letters we have. Among them we have to form for the 13 different, or fill up the 13 different boxes. So we will get 13 factorial divided by r1 factorial. We have a is repeated 3 times, so 3 factorial into s is repeated 4 times, 4 factorial into I is repeated 2 times, we have 2 factorial into n is repeated 2 times, we have 2 factorial. While I occur once and t occur once, so no need to multiply them by the 1 factorial and 1 factorial. So we can write now it as, or the 13 factorial as 13 into 12 into, in terms of 4 factorial keep in mind, 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 3 into 2 into 1 becomes a 3 factorial, 4 factorial keep that as it is, 2 factorial becomes a 2 and 2 factorial becomes a 2. So 2 factorial getting cancelled. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and that 2 and this 2 getting cancelled, and 3 threes are 9. So we remained with the numbers 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 3 into 7 into 6 into 5. So if we will multiply them as a 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 3 into 7 into 6 into 5, so we get something number which look like survey. Actually no need to evaluate this step, you may keep that as it is because it is in some crores. We might be says 10,810,800. That means somewhere we are having 1,08,10,800 words that can be formed by using the letters in the word assassinations. Okay, so that much number of ways we are having. No need to evaluate this figure, you may keep that as it is. You may have here instead of this total ways or total number of words that can be formed by using the letters in the word assassination. So here we will stop today. Thank you.